Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off soap opera effects and get rid of artificial motion smoothing on your SONY BRAVIA TV. So the settings might look different depending on your model. However, basically what we have to do is open quick settings, find picture settings in here and go in picture settings. Sometimes you're gonna have to go to advanced picture settings on some models, but on newer models you're just gonna have to find the motion menu, expand it or open it, and then find the motion flow in here. By default it's set to auto, so the TV decides how it's gonna smoothen the motion, but if we want to get rid of that effect, let's just select off and press OK. And right now the motion smoothing or the soap opera effect is switched off. And so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.